We attend them to find out more about where the products that we use are going in the future, and to help ourselves improve our own processes at TXM.
Yeah, it's a good opportunity to meet some suppliers who will complement what we're trying to do and help us deliver a more efficient, more rounded support to the wider group. An opportunity to review some of the benefits we can get from some of the partner suppliers. And I think for me, it's quite nice to get out and about and have an opportunity to chat to some people who are utilising similar or the same products as us and see what benefits they're seeing to maybe try and improve the way we're doing things.
Also wanted to meet more of the solutions team, because so far since we signed up, which was 18 months ago, we have only ever met Gareth once in person. So it was nice to meet Ian as well, and a couple of others. Yes.
Yes, I agree. I think we've had great support. I think we've had the feedback we gave when we started the relationship solutions was the fact that you were looking to work with us to find the best solution, not to sell us the most amount of product and sort of support our vision for what we felt our future was going to be.
Yeah, there was a lot of understanding of what we wanted to do rather than just trying to sell us something that wouldn't necessarily fit with TXM.